If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update. Yesterday on the Discord I couldn't actually make by the time that I wanted to make this in a new update or new comment about the patterns that is forming for JASMY, it was too late, so I actually updated on Discord that JASMY forming a different pattern other than a bear flag, and basically we got some new candles printing out, and I did notice that this was almost like a falling wedge. So that's something, and we were trading down at 6081. So this is basically a falling wedge, and you can see that from here you did make that falling wedge, and then you try to move to the upside. So yeah, patterns do change, and as soon as they change, I actually shifted this and updated that it wasn't a bear flag at all. Now this is going to be bad if you didn't get it on the YouTube videos, because it was just difficult to do it again. I was actually somewhere else, and you did actually move down like this, make that falling wedge, and then you broke out, back tested, and then you went back to the technical target of that falling wedge, and from here now you're again climbing to the upside. So the technical target is actually in play, and that technical target, I'm going to tell you, is to 9,793. I'm actually going to leave this very simple update right now. I'm not confuse you with big stories. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to remove all the drawings right now, and even potentially just completely remove everything, and let's draw back this pattern right over there. Okay, so that's the pattern that we broke out of for JASMY. Now this pattern has a technical target, and speaking of that technical target, you take this top to bottom, and where you broke out of is showing that 9,523 is where it's meant to push to the upside, as long as you don't come below 4,449. This is where the real problem is, which is actually a very huge gap considering this place. But this was updated when I was doing JASMY videos when we were breaking out of here, and I clearly told you that this happened for the first time since October last year. You never actually broke out of this pattern, and now you did, and now you actually pushed to the upside. That was sweet. It was actually good. It was amazing. So kudos to anyone who actually took the trade. I didn't take the trade. I don't like trading JASMY because of all these stop losses hunts that actually goes on. So I do tend to see something that is more safe to trade, because I do know that JASMY trading wise and Luna Classic trading wise, these are two coins that are heavily manipulated when it comes down to trading section of it, except if you're holding for the long term. That's a different story again. So let's look at the EMAs and let's see how you're back testing things. So it looks like you actually did something great. You pushed to the upside, came down, pushed to the upside, came down, went up, come to the back test the 10 and the 20, moved up again, back test the 10 and the 20. You can still continue. You do have chances to go back up again to this price target, and that's pretty much it for this update. Keep in mind, not losing 4410, because I don't see anything else to talk about JASMY. This is the only thing. You had a pattern, you had a technical target, you have the stop loss of that pattern. Simple. And that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.